RNR Tire Express is an automotive retail and service franchise specializing in replacement tires, custom wheels, and related vehicle services. With locations across the country, the brand is known for providing quality products and flexible payment solutions to a broad customer base. Franchise owners operate a full-service retail location offering tire sales, wheel upgrades, flat repairs, and alignments. The business focuses on serving everyday vehicle owners through a lease-purchase payment model that allows customers to access products and services with flexible payment options. Owners manage team operations, customer service, and local marketing while following established brand systems. Revenue is generated through tire and wheel sales, service work, and recurring lease payments tied to the brand's payment model. The business supports strong cash flow, repeat customers, and long-term scalability. Franchisees benefit from national vendor relationships, established systems, and comprehensive operational support designed for growth. This is a retail and service-based franchise supported by structured onboarding, site development assistance, and ongoing training. Franchise owners receive initial and on-site training, marketing guidance, and continued coaching from the RNR Tire Express support team. The initial total investment is $610,297. Inside the full InfoPack, you will see what other owners are typically earning and insights into the day-to-day operations of this business. Add RNR Tire Express to your top picks and request the InfoPack today.